What's going on YouTube, fellow sax players, fellow musicians out there in the world? I'm back in the band room for another video. I got my vest on. It's a little chilly here in Atlanta. Who would have thunk? And fittingly, I wanted to do a video today to teach my young musicians jingle bells. Currently working on jingle bells in my class, and my saxophone players are having a few challenges, and I understand. They got a little bit harder than some of the other instruments in jingle bells, but today we are going to fix all of that. Right? So I'm going to put the notes on the screen, and I'm going to play it for you guys and break it down. It's a great song. I would love for them to be able to play it for you for the holidays, for their family members. So here we go. All right, and that is Jingle Bells. But how do you play it? I tell my kids, focus on one note at a time. First measure of the song, it's all the same notes. Easy. Put your finger on the first finger in your left hand. Play it 6 times. That's it. The third measure of the song is where they have the most trouble, going from B to D, because your brain is like, oh my goodness. Well, you got to practice. B, D, B, D, G, A, B, B. From the first finger to all your fingers closed, including this octave key right here when you play D. So you're going from no octave key with B to the octave key with D. You're going to be pressing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, octave key. Boom, boom. Then the rest of it is easy. G, A, B, G, A, B. And all beginners those fingers should be easy. G, A, B. Stop right there. These 2 fingers, that's all you're working with. All you're working with is these 3 fingers, these 2 fingers here. Middle finger, index. The last one is. Still you're working with the index and the middle together. They're working together now. Whole time, right hand not doing anything, just sitting here being lonely, waiting for his turn. Right hand is just sitting on top of the keys, not doing anything. This song is mostly a left hand song. It is 90% left hand. So we have after that, the song repeats itself. It goes back to the beginning, does the same thing. The last 2 measures are the only difference. So we have so the only thing different is the last 2 measures. That's 2 Ds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Octave key, octave key. A C. An A. And the last note is a G. So if the students have written those notes down, this shouldn't be difficult, but I'm just kind of giving it as a refresher. And that's Jingle Bells. It's that simple. Take your time with it, folks. Take one note at a time. Watch the video, pause the video, rewind the video. Take your time with it, and you will knock it out the park. Be confident. Be confident. Be confident. You'll be playing Jingle Bells for your family in no time. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Jared Brown. Like, comment, subscribe, learn sax now. Happy holidays.